All right, guys. So we are at our consultation for the day. So I got the call from my client yesterday, and this is a rush job. This is one of my favorite buildings in the city, a really luxury building actually, and you can tell with all the finishes. So I'm really excited to see what's going on out there. I think it's a pretty big unit. So I'm gonna take some photos, give her my feedback, send a proposal, and we're gonna be staging it on Tuesday. Today's Thursday, so that only gives me like 5 days to prepare. Let's see what's happening in here. Okay, so I'm taking all of my photos. I'm loving this dramatic wallpaper here. I'm definitely gonna keep this. Maybe I'll put up an art piece here because I see there's some holes in the walls of something that was there before. Get rid of all of this stuff. Put some nice towels, accessories. I see the front foyer here might need to replace the light fixture. And I find this a little bit dated with all the crystals. 1, 2, 3 of them we have here in the hallway. They should go. Do something a little bit more updated, a little bit more contemporary, and maybe something that gives off more light. One of the bonuses of being in this building is actually some of the units like this one have their own private elevator. So from your parking lot, you can come whoop straight into your unit and you're home. You don't even have to walk through the hallways. So this is their kitchen area. It's pretty dated, as you can see. This stone, it's a granite stone, but it's pretty moody and not a really nice moody. It has some pink and purple tones in it. I'm not loving it, but I know it's not something that they're going to change right now, especially with this backsplash. So this is what I talk about when I tell you guys don't mix your backsplash enter your countertop together because it looks so busy. This is a perfect example of that. And then here, instead of having this knot here and doing a round table that we would do in the staging, we're not able to do that. So now we have to use the bar table concept and put in some bar stools, accessories, artwork. I got a photo of this. Let's go see what's going on the other side. I have a feeling I know what's going on here. So a lot of the units here were sold furnished, and this is going back about 10 years ago, and this furniture looks really dated to me and it's making the space look really boring. So I'm gonna have to call my client and let her know that the furniture here is not really usable and this stuff should go out because I feel like this space vamped up, revamped, it's gonna look so much nicer and more appealing to buyers than what's existing with, you know, the older crystal looking chandeliers, kind of like that amber color with the grays. I'm not a fan of it. I think all of this should go. I don't like this. All of the leathers in the living room. Some of the chairs are actually really worn in. I don't like this at all. I think we need to change this. So get rid of everything here. The lights, I mean, it is what it is. Maybe I can play with this and make this look really nice, but the furniture has to go. The furniture has to go. If she has time, maybe paint it, but I don't think it's all gonna get done till Tuesday. So I'm gonna give her my feedback and see what she thinks. Okay, so this is the primary bedroom. Guys, it's like ugly furniture all around. I'm not loving this. I mean, such a beautiful unit and it's such a waste because we're not dealing with really nice stuff in here. So I feel like all of this needs to go. The wall unit is a definite plus, a bonus, especially in a condo because you don't have a lot of storage space, so something like this is fantastic. Oh, they have a TV in here too. Get rid of all the furniture. This light can stay. I hate this light. I don't think this looks nice. This needs to go. Maybe do something semi-flush. Closet space is pretty empty already, so not much fun there. And of course, the bathroom area, I mean, it is what it is. I'm not going to be able to change this right now, so we're just going to have to accessorize it and make it look the best it can look. This is the secondary bedroom, which looks pretty officey to me. I obviously cannot remove this wall unit, so what I'm going to have to do is create a bedroom space in here, even though, as you can see, it's already pretty limited because this guy just in here probably comes out about 30 inches or so. So I feel like this, we need to redo something with this because whoever comes in here will likely need a second bedroom even if it's somebody who's downsizing from a larger home, they're going to need this because if they have grandkids coming over, if they have guests coming over, you want to show them that you can fit a bed in the second bedroom and it's not just an office space. Just wrapped up our consultation. I took all my photos. Just because it's on such a time crunch, I'm gonna have to call Natalia and go over the phone with her what we need to do, what we need to pack so that we can get this thing going fast, expedite it as soon as possible. We're heading over to Post Road to see my design client who has her new build, the big one that you guys have all seen in our videos. Just want to go over some of the paneling details with her, get the confirmation on some things so that we can finalize with the trades. I'm so glad you guys are here with me today. It's a busy day, lots to do, lots of action going on. I'm not looking. This is first reaction to the primary ensuite, which we've been working on for so long. And oh yes, wow. This is the impact we were looking for, Shalina. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Love the veining, love the book matching. Check this out. This is good workmanship right here. This is what we want to see. So it's like a continuation of the veining, which actually one of the trades mentioned. It's almost like you're looking outside the window with all of the trees and you have all these veining kind of creating that flow for you. I love it. So this is the primary ensuite. This encave in here, we're gonna have the bathtub. It's going to be sitting in the window. We have built-in shelving coming on both sides of the walls here. And this stone is actually going to get wrapped into the ceiling. And we decided to do wallpaper actually at the flat of the ceiling, and the elevation views is going to be the stone kind of wrapping up. We have a step down to where vanity is going to be here. One side is hers and this side is his. They're going to be matching each other. We have a beautiful floor design that is not ready yet. This is all heated floors. It's all going to be tiled with dolomite. Can't wait to show you guys this once it's done. This is just a little sneak peek as to the luxury of this grand, beautiful house that we're creating. She's back there laughing at me. Well, material and labor, right? So the whole fireplace is going to be covered in stone. I can't give you another day. It's already like she needs to give him an answer. You quoted me by the square foot previously. If I give you the measurement right now, can you tell me how much it's going to cost? And how long will that take? Yeah, I'll tell them to send it to you like in 5 minutes. Okay, thank you. Bye. Fun stuff. We are waiting for our stone and deciding which company to go with. So a couple things missing and from their quote, which is delaying us. So gotta wait. What can we do? It's trades. Just having a meeting in here. Just want to see a few of the pieces. Oh, this looks so fantastic. Loving this. Okay, so we just had our coffee table delivered. We decided to go with a 2-piece versus a 1-piece. And I love this effect because now it gives you that staggered kind of feeling here. And the good thing is that you can move them around if you need to. However, these are super heavy because they're actual marble pieces. And we got this end table, which is fantastic because it complements this guy and not too veiny. And I like the black finishes on them. Loving the rug. Loving the coffee table. We have a few pieces coming in here. I don't want to reveal everything yet until it's done. So let's just go over on this side. Oh, beautiful. Our sideboard is in. Okay, that's enough for this house. I don't want to show more because I want to do a full reveal on this property. But I'm sure you guys are liking what you're seeing so far. And we'll be back here shortly because I have more stuff coming in. Actually, you know what? Let's go upstairs because I had the headboard delivered too today. Let's go see how this turned out. Oh, beautiful. Look at this. So custom. Guys, this is fantastic. So instead of going just for a single regular width headboard for the king bed, we decided to extend it a little bit further. So it actually, you have your nightstand sitting inside of this beautiful creation that we have made. This was all custom, curated by us and our team. Looks good. I love the material. It's kind of like a tweed type of material, warmer gray, not so cool, which I like. Then the nightstands are going to come in. Maybe I'm going to talk to him. Maybe we'll do some wallpaper. If not, I'll just put in some artwork and finish it off. Looking good so far. Well guys, today has come to an end and I'm so glad to say it all went very smoothly. All of our deliveries were good. Clients were happy. We got a lot done and I'm glad you guys could join us. And if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time.